Here's how to revoke shared keys in LEGO Fortnite and take back control of your world. If someone has access to your world but you want to remove them, you will need to revoke their key. Open your menu. You can do this by pressing the tab button. Then you can go to the Manage Players button. It is the icon up here with 3 people. Here you will see everyone who's been given access. Find the player that you want to remove. Currently there is nobody invited to my world, and as you can see here, I have 7 keys remaining. If I were to invite somebody and give them one of my keys, they will show up in here if they're not in the world currently, and in this section if they're currently in the world. So what you're going to do is, if you want to remove a player, you have to click on their name, then choose Revoke Key to instantly remove their access. Confirm the action, and that's it. They won't be able to enter your world unless you share a new key. Revoking keys is the fastest way to keep your LEGO Fortnite world safe and private. Found this helpful? Drop a like and follow for more quick Fortnite tips.